Hi, and thank you for tuning into one of ACM's quick tips. Today, we're going to learn how to use the SUMVISIBLE function. Traditionally, the SUM function is used to total columns and rows in Excel. The SUM function is great until you do not need all of the information on a spreadsheet, and you hide a column or row as a result. When a column or row is hidden, the result of the SUM function will still show the sum of the entire range in the formula, regardless if the data is hidden or not. This can be frustrating if you only need information for certain data in a spreadsheet instead of all of the data. This issue can easily be resolved by replacing the SUM function with the SUMVISIBLE function. To apply this function, click in the cell needing the sum. Then, click in the function bar and begin to type SUMVISIBLE. Complete the formula by inserting the data range needed in the parentheses. Once the SUMVISIBLE formula is complete, the sum will change to return only the total of columns or rows visible. See how the total changes as the rows are shown and hidden. The formula is dragged across in this example, and you can see the result changes as rows are hidden to omit the data from Office D. Now you will see that the monthly totals in row 15 will only return the result for offices A through C. Once the data for Office D is shown again, the monthly totals will again change to include Office D's data. Are you interested in learning more and enhancing your career? Come check out our website at www.acmpm.com. Here you will find our training schedule along with the training products that we have to offer. For more information, please contact ACM at 734-995-9640. We would love to hear from you. Also, visit our website at www.acmpm.com. Administrative Controls Management is established at a variety of locations, including Michigan, North Carolina, and Ohio. Our vision is to be your first choice for project management. Our mission is to provide the most timely and cost-effective solutions to clients' project management concerns. ACM is the first approved education provider as certified by AACE International and a Project Management Institute global registered education provider. Once again, thank you for your interest in our courses and what we have to offer. We look forward to hearing from you soon.